So, I kind of debated on whether or not to post this video. But there's a part of me that thinks it's important for anyone who follows me to understand me a little bit better. And also for anyone that has the issues that I have, for them to feel like they're not alone. I have depression, and it causes issues, sometimes worse than others. But I still keep going. One of the things I've learned over time is that no matter how bad it is for me, no matter how rough it gets, no matter how deep down that dark hole I go, there are people out there that have it worse than me. There's people out there that have it worse than you. And that doesn't minimize at all how you feel. It doesn't minimize what you're experiencing. But it's important to remember that you're not alone. I've had severe depression since I was a very, very young child. Treatment-resistant major depressive disorder. What that means, besides apparently not being able to hold the camera straight, what that means is I went through a lot of different medications to find one that works even moderately well. Not sunshine and roses. Not uniforms and rainbows. I don't think about killing myself a couple times a day. Years only about 10. Been like this since I was a small child because there's something faulty in my brain and the chemicals it produces. It's not my fault. It just is what it is. I'm 48. Be 49 soon. And despite nearly every single day wanting to kill myself, I'm still here. You can still be here too, even when it hurts. You just have to find a reason not to give in. You have to find a reason to get up in the mornings. And a reason to keep going every single day. Anyway. That's why I haven't been online much lately. Why I had trouble writing a assigned poem in my poetry class. An ode. An ode is a celebration of things. It's hard to write something like that when you're depressed. Really depressed. But I'm still here. Don't give up. Don't give in. Just kind of keep going. Because only you can make that decision to keep going. Alright, guys. Thanks for joining me. And hope I didn't bring your day down.